Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using React, and I hope you understand that all the React 18 videos which I have uploaded, 70 plus video we have uploaded of React 18, and now I think that we have uploaded many of the videos of React 18, so we should start any other tutorial series, and soon I will be starting another tutorial series. Just you have to comment me and you have to tell me that what tutorial series I should be starting and how I should be starting the tutorial series, project based or only giving you the tutorials of the text like I'm giving in React 18. So today we are just building an amazing project using Java, because you all know that we have started the Java series as well. So today we are doing the video of Java and we'll be building an amazing memory, you can say memory card project, and we'll be just building this memory card project from start to end using Java. And I hope you understand that. Like you all know that this Java project which we are doing is the project based tutorial, but in Java there are not any of the tags we have to build. Yeah, the text we have to just use the text to build these projects here. So we are today building this amazing memory card project, and I'll be telling you how we are building this. So just if you understand this video and if you enjoy this, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos, because I'll be uploading more videos like that. And I hope that will giving you help, and that will be just really helpful for you. Remember to check that project out, and you can also check my previous videos. So just now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that what project we are building through Java in this video. So just like I'm telling you that we are just building an amazing memory card project using Java. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we are building this amazing memory card project. So for building this, I will be opening my folder of memory card project, which is on desktop, because we are building it through Java, and I have created my folder on desktop. So I'll be opening that. So I'll be now directly pressing here open folder, and then you have to move to desktop here. After moving to desktop, you can see we are getting here the folder of memory card project in Java. So I will be pressing select folder to open this. You can see our folder has been opened and we are getting our file here. So I will be doing one thing. I will be moving in this body tag and erasing all the things from here, because I will be not needing these all things here directly. So I will be now just removing here all these things. After removing these all things here, you have to save it. Then you have to move to this file. You can see we are getting all the things in this file as well. So we will be not needing these all things as well. So just we have to save it here. We will be needing some of the things from here, so I will be not erasing that. Just I will be moving here, and then I have erased all the things from here. So we'll be now working with this file directly. So when you are getting these all things, just I will be opening it in my default browser, which is Google Chrome. So I will be closing this file from here now directly here as well. Then for opening it in default browser, you have to move to File Explorer, then move to desktop here, and this is our folder of memory card project in Java. So I will be double clicking this folder to open this, and this is my file. So I will be pressing right click and opening this file in my default browser. You can see my file has been opened. So I will be doing it side by side here. After doing it side by side, I will be making my coding side bigger, because I want that my coding side should be bigger and all the different sides should be small here. After making this, I'll be pressing Ctrl B to close side panel. But before that, I want to erase these all codes which I'm getting here, because I will be not needing these all things as well. So I will be now removing this all things by for removing this. Just you have to now select this all things here, and after selecting you have to erase this. Save it here, then move here and then reload. You can see all the thing has been removed here. After removing this, we have to move in the body tag, press Ctrl B to close the side panel here. Then we have to just now start from the tag here, which is called section tag. Now after creating this section tag, you have to give the class here, which should be main section. Then write here div class container here, and after writing this container, you have to move down, write here h1, and after writing this h1 here, you have to write class title, because in this h1 I will be writing my title here. So my title is memory card project, I will be writing here. Then here you have to just move down, and then you have to write here div tag. After creating div tag, you have to write the class, which should be like settings. So here I will be now writing the class of settings here. Then after writing this, you have to write the button here, then give it the class here of btn custom. So here I will be writing this, write here btn light, and then I will be now writing here btn outline dash, right here secondary. Then I will be now writing here btn lg. So here I will be writing. Then in center you have to write add custom. Then here you have to just now write here add custom. Then I will be giving here space, right here add custom images. After writing this, you have to just move down, right here div class, write selection menu. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just now write here select, and in select value I will be writing name level, and then in id I will be moving right here level underscore menu. Then you have to write here class custom, and then I will be now writing here select. And after writing the select value, you have to write here option value. In value I will be writing choose, and then you have to now write here choose a level, And after writing this, here you have to now just write a tag which should be like 2 dashes again here, because here your user have to choose the level. Then I will be now writing here the you can say method of the level. One will be easy, then one will be medium, and here I will be now writing hard as well. So here first of all I will be writing easy, medium. Then you have to move under this option tag here, and in value I will be writing hard like this. And after writing this, you have to just now move down, and here you have to just write here button class, and here you have to write btn create, and then you have to now write here btn line. Then you have to just now write here btn outline. Then you have to just write here secondary, and here I will be now writing btn lg. Then I will be now writing here create new cards like this. And after writing this, you have to move down, right here class score table. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here p tag, and here I will be writing a score text. Then I will be writing here a score, and after writing a score, here you have to write span, and then you have to give it the class score value, and after writing the value, here you have to write 0. And then here you have to just move down, right here div class game board. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to just now do one thing, you have to move down. After moving down, here you have to just now move down after this tag again, right here div id, and here I will be writing warning model. So here I will be now writing warning model like this. Then in center I will be now moving right here model like this. Then you have to just now write here a tag which will be like div class, and write here model like this. And after writing here you have to write content. Then you have to now write here p all cards are. Then I will be writing here match like this. Then I will be now writing this you can say mark here, which is called exclamation mark. Then I will be just moving down, right here is span tag. Then you have to give it the class here close, and right here okay. Now when you've written this thing, just here you have to move after the two divs there. Then I will be now giving it the id, which should be image model. So here I will be now writing this. Then here you have to now just move here, and then I will be now writing here class model. Then you have to just write here div class, and then I will be now writing here model content like this. And here you have to just now write here h1, and then here you have to write upload 6 different, and then you have to write here images from, then you have to write here from your device. Then you have to now write here div class, and after writing div class you have to write here custom, and write here image, and underscore I will be writing here container. Then you have to just now write here label, and I will be now raising the for here, and write here class value which will be custom image. Then I will be now writing here container, write here label tag. Okay, so here when you just written this thing, here I will be now doing one thing, I will be writing here wrapper. So here I will be writing wrapper. Then you have to now just write here for image, and then I will be now writing here underscore 0. Write here input, and then write here type file, write here name, and write here image. Then you have to now write here id image underscore 0. Then you have to write here slash. After writing this, you have to now write here span tag, and then you have to close it. And then you have to now just move down after this tag and write here label. And after writing here label, you have to erase this for, right here class custom image. Then you have to now write here wrapper. Here I will be now just doing one thing, I will be moving forward, right here image underscore 1. Then you have to write here input, and input type file here I will be writing name large. Then you have to now write here image. Then I will be writing here id image 1. Then here I will be now writing here like this, and then you have to now just write like this. Here you have to write a span tag. Then you have to now just move down like this. Then you have to write a tag which will be like label class. Here I will be writing directly, and then write here custom image. Then I will be now writing here wrapper for, and then here you have to write image 2. So I will be writing this. Then you have to now write here input file, and here I will be writing name image, and write here id image. Then I will be writing here 2. And after writing this, you have to close this tag. And then here I will be now just doing one thing, I will be moving down after this tag, and then you have to just write here label, remove this for here, and I will be now writing it the class value. And here I will be now writing the class value of like custom image. So here I will be now writing custom image like this, and here I will be now just writing here wrapper like this. Then you have to now just write the for value, and here I will be writing image underscore 3. Then you have to now write here input and type file. Here I will be writing name image. Then you have to write here id image 3. Then you have to just now write here span tag. Then I will be now moving down after this tag. Right here label, remove this for from here, and then I will be directly writing the class here custom image, and then I will be writing here wrapper for, and write here image, and then you have to write here for. Write input file like this, and then write here the name value image, write id image for like this. Then here you have to just now close this tag. Then here I will be writing the span value. Then you have to now give a space from here as well. Then I will be now writing here label, removing this for from here. I will be writing class custom image. Then you have to now write here wrapper, write here for image. Then I will be now writing here 5. Then write here input file like this. Then I will be now writing here name image. Then you have to just write here id image 5 like this. Then after writing this id here, you have to now just move here, save this, and here we have to also save this all thing. I will be closing this file directly now, and then you have to just move down right here spend tag. After writing the spend tag, I will be giving a space from here, and then here you have to just now move down after this, right here spend tag, give it the class here which will be closed, right here home like this. Then, or you can say here I will be writing that. Then you have to save this value. Then you have to move down after this. After moving down, you can see we have just written all these values here. Then you have to directly save it and reload. So if I show you here, you can see we are getting all this thing here of memory card project. It is now ready here, which we have just built in Java. So here you can add your custom images in this. You can upload different images from your device, and if you want to upload from any other project, if you want to create your own cards, you can create. But first of all, you have to choose the level. So here I will be choosing easy. Press create new cards. Now your cards has been created. You can upload random pictures also if you are having. You can press add custom images. Then you can upload different images on your cards here from your device. But remember that the size of the images should be of the card image size. If I press this, you can see now your card will be having this thing. Then you can see it is having the score 1, and when your score will be increasing, it will be showing you score 2. Now here if I press, you can see score 3 it has, and now in the end it will be having the score 4, and you can see it is saying me all cards are matched. Now if I want to increase my level, so you can move to medium and you can press create new card. So you can see more card has here, so you can now create like this. If I press this, you can see score 1 card has been matched, 2 card has been matched, then 3 is also matched, 4 is also matched, and then 5 is also matched. So it will be showing me all cards are matched. Now if you want to move on to more harder level, so you can move to hard one. So I will be moving to hard one. Press create new card. Now this is the hard value. So here you will be getting all the values, score 1, score 2. Then here you will be getting more cards, so you have to just take the value of the card. Score 4 you will be getting, and then score 5, and in the end score 6. So you will be getting here all cards are matched, mean this side. If you are losing the game, so you will be getting you lost. So like this. So this is our amazing memory card project which we have built using Java. I hope you understand this project, how we have built. This is really amazing project which we have built, and really different project as well which we have built using Java. So if you have understand, enjoy this video. So remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can understand. And remember, after subscribing, you have to hit notification bell as well if you want to see more videos, and if you want to learn more things about Java and many other languages I'll be bringing up. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.